more popular among all ages. People dance at parties, dance classes, clubs, in a dance company, or even at home. Here at Planet Funk, the Universal Artist Company performs at different events. They provide master classes and workshops.
Planet Funk was originated from a person that many people are familiar with, who's a pop artist called James Brown.
Planet Funk's specialty is high energy and extreme funk.
It's absolutely wonderful every time I come. He challenges me to a different level. You know, one minute he's doing hip hop, and then it's funk, and then it's jazz. And every time you come, it's totally different, and he gets you to get out of your comfort zone and just test you and challenge you.
They also provide workshops and master classes to teach beginners to dance, educate them by where it came from, how it started, and what dance is.
Planet Funk's a performing arts organization. We're a dance company essentially, but more than a dance company, we're an entertainment company. We started off 13 years ago with one focus, one main objective, and that is to entertain people of all kinds.
Planet Funk loves beginners. Eventually, beginners are trained how to perform in venues, music videos, and become a part of Planet Funk's dance company.
Yeah, the trend is basically anything with just thrash, a lot of energy, personality. Dance, back in the day, it used to be just funk. It used to be real military, real structured. Nowadays, it's getting real to where it's just they want to see the energy, a lot of freestyling, a lot of attitude towards the camera and towards the dance. So what we try to do with Planet Funk is we just incorporate all of that. We try to see if we can't mix a lot of the styles, even make up some of our own so we can trailblaze.
Planet Funk have performed for local and national TV programs.
As performed by Houston's own Planet Funk, led and choreographed by Sean Welling. Are you ready for this?
The works of Planet Funk have been praised by some of the leaders here in Houston.
Please give a big round of applause.
Dance is popular to all ages for many reasons. According to Planet Funk, it is because it accomplishes many things.
One, it gets you in shape. Two, your creative juices, an opportunity to be artistic, which everybody wants to do. Three, it's an opportunity to meet people.
Welling's most memorable experience at Planet Funk is when he led the Rockets Power Dancers through his choreography during the championship games. Planet Funk's focus in youth outreach program is encouragement in the field of dance, promoting exercise, healthy lifestyle, and strong self-esteem.
The Planet Funk experience is it's kind of not like any traditional, I would say, any traditional dance class that you would go to. It's kind of got its own little urban flair, even for like taking jazz or hip hop or whatever discipline it may be. It's a really fun, relaxed atmosphere, and it's kind of get to come and be yourself. Get to free yourself. You don't have to think about, well, am I doing this right, or whatever that may be.
I think probably the most important thing is that I'm just thankful to have the opportunity to do what we're doing, and we couldn't do it without all the great people in Houston that have helped us do it, and I thank all of them for supporting this company.
As you can see, Planet Funk provides a fun and relaxed atmosphere where everyone expresses themselves through dance. I'm Jennalyn Magtoto reporting from Planet Funk.
Let's go, guys! Go ahead!